Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to add a custom font to your Shopify store. First, find a font you'd like to use and download it. Usually, the file comes in OTF format, but we need it in WOFF2 format for Shopify. To convert it, open a new tab and go to Cloud Convert. Search for OTF to WOFF2 converter. Then, upload your font file and click Convert. Once it's done, download the converted WOFF2 file. Now, head back to your Shopify dashboard. On the left panel, go to Content. Then, click on Files. Here, upload your WOFF2 font file by clicking Upload Files in the upper right corner. Next, we'll generate the code to add your font. I've prepared a prompt for ChatGPT that you can copy and paste. You can pause the video here to copy it. After that, go to ChatGPT and paste the prompt. Before submitting it, we need to change the font URL. So go back to Shopify, hover over your font, and click Copy Link. Now, replace the font URL in the prompt with the one you just copied from Shopify. Submit it, and ChatGPT will give you a block of code, so just copy it. Now, go back to Shopify and head over to Online Store. Then, click on Themes. Before editing, I recommend duplicating your theme. This way, you can safely see the changes and compare the fonts later. Click the three dots next to your duplicated theme. Then, select Edit Code. Open the file called theme.liquid. Now go to the head section. Press Enter to add some space. Then, paste the code you got from ChatGPT. Click Save once you are done. Now, you can preview your site. Here's what it looked like before, and here's the updated version. As you can see, your custom font is now live to your Shopify. And that's it. You've successfully added a custom font to your store. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.